The animal shelf is now at McDonald's and you can help why Get Up and Stripey look like. You too can join the fun with Get Up, Stripey and friends now at McDonald's. Some fun, some food is all inside this Happy Meal. Did you know the Squid Game 2 fruit bags are now at McDonald's?
Smile!
And like all Hungry Games, fruit bags count as one of your 5A day. Enjoy some apple slices and grapes fruit bags at McDonald's. Some fun, some food and one of your 5A day at McDonald's. Join Soli and Mo Nature Show now at McDonald's.
It's not as much fun alone. Mo! I need your help, please. Will you dance with me? Dancing this way, then spin.
Well, you learn about Soli and Mo. Stick around and find out. Some fun, some food is all inside this Happy Meal.
You know bananas.
Did you know lemons are a different tree? What?
Why?
Because lemons are only one of your 5 a day. You too can now enjoy some lemons now McDonald's.
Right now
some
at
fun, some food and one of your 5 a day at
some
McDonald's.
And one of your 5 a day at McDonald's.